Hi folks. Well, I wanted to show you the progress I made on my lathe here. I redid everything. That chuck was 8 thousandths out. So what I did was I took the chuck off the plate, and the place where it aligns to the plate I cut down about 3 thousandths, 4 thousandths, so I had a little play on the chuck so I could adjust it with them screws. So this is within 2 thousandths. When I do indicate right here, I'm within 2 thousandths. And I had a heck of a time trying to get those jaws to hold something straight. They would not do it. And I set up this rig, which is a Black & Decker RTX Dremel type deal. It's got a chainsaw, a diamond chainsaw file bit on it. And what I did was I jammed, or I chucked these little 1/4 inch round pieces in between the, like right there, on all three without anything in it, so I could load it. Then I tightened it, and it's hard to get those in right, but I got them in there right. Then I tightened it and loaded it, and then I cranked that guy in to grind those jaws. Now I ground them quite a bit. I must have taken off, oh, I don't know how many thousandths, but I can show you how much is left here. How much of a hole I got in there now. See that? There's probably 2.5 millimeters, a little over 2 millimeter in there that I ground. But they're holding really nice. It's within, it chucks now within about 1/1000th of an inch. So I got it fixed. Yay.